Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Jaguar XF. So kind of from any screen, you've got settings over here. You go to settings, you've got Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. You've got Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, make system discoverable, and list of paired devices. So we click list of paired devices and you see Barry's iPhone there, paired devices. Click on that, rename Barry's iPhone, delete pairing, connect for phone, connect for music, connect all. So delete pairing. Delete pairing for Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it, gone. One of the things, if you can't stream audio for any reason, do that same process, but then just make sure that it's paired for music is clicked. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Jaguar XF. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom. We go back over here to home. You've got media, climate, phone, and the sat nav. If we click on phone, when there's nothing else connected in the car, no phone connected, connect to device now, yes. Bluetooth, search for Bluetooth devices, that's the one we want. Click on search for Bluetooth devices. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on that. Pairing Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, yes. Bluetooth pairing request, click yes. Does the passkey match, click yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Barry's iPhone 12 Pro has been connected for whatever it said then, I lost it. And then if we go here, let's just have a look for Jaguar XF connected. So that's brilliant. I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the system. If we go to music, that's playing at the moment. I'm going to turn that down. But if you click the silver triangle and with the three silver circles at the bottom, you'll see iPhone Jaguar XF. So there's a tick next to Jaguar XF, which means anything that plays from my phone, if you have the audio system set up correctly, it'll come through the speakers. I'll just show you this bit again, but if you go to settings, you go to Bluetooth, if for any reason that's not showing, for any reason Jaguar XF isn't showing there, you list of paired devices, onto list of paired devices, Barry's iPhone 12, on this the note is showing and the telephone, so that's okay for both. But if not, just make sure the music symbol is clicked. So right, we're playing this. It's turned down over to the note and the clapper board there. It says audio off. We'll switch the audio on, turn it down. That's on radio at the moment. Click source. You see it's on FM. Click Bluetooth audio. That's showing the record. If we look here, let's have a look. Let's see what happens here, because there you go. That's it playing. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, basically this circle there that looked like a steering wheel to me, you click that. Here we go. Let's see what we've got. If we click it again, it's asking where to, map, favourites. So the first click is for the map. We want to go where to, we want an address, enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR 5 4 JS. And it had the screen before OK, but we'll just click on that.
The route is being calculated.
So that's it. You can either save it, click yes, confirming destination.
Please make a U-turn if possible, then turn right.
That's it. That's how you do it. Really simple system, the Land Rover Jaguar system. It's great. Thanks for watching.